Good afternoon. My name is Kati Jane E. Honoras, and for today's video, I will talk about the Bloom's Taxonomy Revised Edition. So, let's start. The highest level of the pyramid in the new taxonomy is no longer evaluation. The top of the list is a new category called creation. Another notable difference is that category names are now verbs rather than nouns. So, objectives are now intended to represent learners' thought processes rather than their behaviors. By utilizing measurable verbs to create learning objectives, you can clearly state what the student must perform in order to demonstrate learning. Bloom's taxonomy as well as the revised taxonomy were published in 1956. The cognitive domain of the learning is addressed by Bloom's taxonomy and its revision by Lauren Anderson, a former Bloom's student. The first level in Bloom's taxonomy revised edition is remembering. Remembering is a long-term memory retrieval, recall, or recognition. It's defined as the ability to recover, recall, or recognize relevant information. For example, recall dates of important events in the history or remembering the components of a bacterial cell. The terms used in remembering is cite, define, describe, identify, label, list, match, name, outline, quote, recall, report, reproduce, retrieve, show, state, tabulate, and tell are appropriate learning outcomes verbs at this level. The second level is understanding. To show that you understand something by using one or more types of explanation. For example, classify a mental illness, compare ritual practices in two different religions. The following learning outcome verbs are appropriate for this level: abstract, arrange, articulate, associate, categorize, clarify, classify, compare, compute, conclude, contrast, defend, diagram, differentiate, discuss, distinguish, estimate, exemplify, explain, extend, extrapolate, generalize, give examples, match, outline, predict, or rearrange and reorder. The third level is applying. Use the information or skill in a new scenario. For example, apply Newton's second law to a problem where it is applicable. Do a multivariate statistical analysis on a data set you haven't seen before. Apply, calculate, carry out, classify, compute, demonstrate, generalize, illustrate, implement, infer, interpret, outline, predict, solve, transfer, translate, and use are appropriate learning outcome verbs for this level. The fourth level is analyzing. Break stuff down into its constituent elements and figure out how they relate to one another or to a larger structure or goal. For example, analyze the relationship between different flora and fauna in an ecological setting. Or analyze the relationship between different characters in a play. Or analyze the relationship between different institutions in a society. Analyze, arrange, break down, categorize, classify, compare, deconstruct, detect, diagram, differentiate, discriminate, identify, integrate, inventory, order, organize, relate, and structure are appropriate learning outcome verbs for this level. The fifth level is evaluating. It is to make decisions based on criteria and standards. For example, to detect inconsistencies or fallacies in a process or product, to determine whether a scientist's conclusions follow from observed data to judge which of two methods is the best way to solve a problem, or to determine the quality of a product based on a disciplinary criteria. Appraise, apprise, argue, assess, compare, conclude, consider, contrast, persuade, criticize, critique, decide, determine, discriminate, judge, justify, evaluate, rate, recommend, review, select, standardize, support, test, and validate are appropriate learning outcome verbs for this level. The last level in Bloom's taxonomy is called creating. It is reorganizing parts into a new pattern or structure, or put elements together to make a new cohesive or functional whole. For example, in design a new set for a theater production, write a thesis, develop an alternative hypothesis based on a criteria, invent a product, compose of music, or write a play. Arrange, assemble, build, collect, combine, compose, constitute, construct, create, develop, formulate, hypothesis, integrate, invent, manage, organize, perform, plan, prepare, produce, propose, rearrange, reconstruct, rewrite, specify, synthesis, and write are appropriate learning outcome verbs for this level. As a future educator, Bloom's taxonomy is important because it aids educators in identifying realistic learning objectives and developing methods to achieve them. Bloom's taxonomy allows educators to assess students' learning on a continuous basis, encouraging them to reflect on their development.